In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and show UI elements in a Wix website. If you want more control over what visitors see, this is a very useful skill to learn. Whether you're cleaning up your layout, temporarily removing something from view, or customizing how your site appears on different devices, Wix gives you simple built-in tools to manage element visibility. Let's start with Wix Studio using the native editor settings. If you are designing inside the advanced Wix Studio workspace, you can manage visibility directly from the canvas or from the Layers panel. To hide an element, go to your site in Wix Studio and find the item you want to remove from view. This could be a text box, an image, a button, or a container. Right-click the element on the canvas, then select Hide. Once you do that, the element will no longer appear on the page, which is helpful when you want to simplify the design without deleting anything. If you want to show that hidden element again, open the Layers panel on the left sidebar. In that panel, locate the hidden item or the container it belongs to. From there, click the eye icon to make it visible again. In some cases, you can also right-click the item and select Show. This is especially useful if you hid something by mistake or if you are testing different layouts and want to bring an element back quickly. Now let's look at hiding and showing elements specifically on mobile in the standard Wix editor. This editor uses a responsive by device approach, which means you can hide certain elements on mobile without affecting how they appear on desktop. That's perfect for reducing clutter and creating a cleaner mobile experience. To hide something on mobile, switch to Mobile View by clicking the mobile icon at the top of the editor. Then select the element you want to hide. After that, click the More Actions icon, shown as 3 dots, and choose Hide. This removes the element from the mobile layout while keeping it visible on desktop. To show a hidden element again on mobile, go to the Mobile Editor sidebar and click the Hidden on Mobile tool icon, which looks like an eye with a slash through it. You will see a list of items currently hidden on mobile. Hover over the element you want to restore. Then click the plus icon labeled Show Element. That will place it back into your mobile view. That's all to hide and show UI elements in Wix Studio and the standard Wix editor. Thanks for watching.